Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I pickle and can the banana peppers that I grow. They're one of my favorite things that I do grow in my garden because I eat them on everything: salad, sandwiches, hamburgers, pizza, you name it, I probably put it on there. It's a really easy process. You can do this obviously with just some banana peppers that you buy from the grocery store. I don't have a scale, and I wish I did, so we could measure how many banana peppers in pounds that I have, but it's a lot. That's about all I can tell you. So let's get started. I'll
Banana
show you what
peppers,
you need
obviously, pickling salt, pickling vinegar, mason jars, measuring cups, and your mason jar funnel. I'm going to start with washing my banana peppers with soap and water because they grow outside. And I've seen the bugs and stuff that be on there. I don't play that. And while I've got this soaking just for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and start my brine because we'll need that to come to a boil. I use 1 part vinegar, 1 part water to make my brine. So for every cup of water, I add a cup of vinegar, and I do the same with the salt. You can add whatever seasonings you want to add to your brine. I add a little sugar. And then we're just gonna let that come to a boil. Now it's time to chop these bad boys up. It took me about 45 minutes to chop up all of those peppers, but I basically cut the tops and the bottoms off of them. If they have a thick core, I'll cut the center of it out with the knife, and I do tap out some of the seeds. Ta-da! Okay, so here's our bowl of peppers. I really wish I knew how much it weighed. But anyway, so fill your jar. You want to pack it tight, okay? We want this full and airtight. So stuff those peppers in there. And then I'm going to grab my funnel. I poured my brine from the pot into this container because it's easier for me to pour from this. Then I gotta find some lids. For some reason, I have a million mason jars, brand new, but I have no idea where the lids are. It's just a few of them around. So, pour the brine to the very top. You'll notice when I put the lids on, I'm gonna press in the center and it's gonna be all bouncy. We're going to put those jars in hot water so that we can create a suction, and it'll pull the air out. And once we're done, you'll notice that you won't be able to push in the tops anymore because all of the air will be sunk out or sucked out. Heating things up causes expansion inside the jar, pushes out the air, and seals that lid down. If you can't seal the lids, don't leave them out on the counter. Go ahead and put it in the refrigerator because it'll have air in it. Now you see, I just took it out the pot. I left it in there for about 5 minutes with the rack underneath it so it didn't burn. And now the tops are no longer bouncy. And that's it. I'm gonna leave these out on the counter for the next 2 weeks or so. Really let that flavor soak in there. Then I'm going to pass them out to my family and eat them. See you in the next video.